Hello children, hope finds you in the best of your health and safety. Today we are going to learn about prepositions. So let's start with the meaning of this word. Preposition is a word that shows a relationship between other nearby words, or we can also take it as that it talks about the position of the noun. For example, a boy from the farm. There is a relationship between boy and the farm, and we are talking about the position of the boy also, that he is coming from the farm. Let's look at another example. Gate of the garden. Gate of the garden. So the position of the gate is that it is of the garden. They both are related. Similarly, we have more examples here. Under, to, about, for, through, across, along, beside, at, in, into, after. These all are the examples of prepositions. Now let's move ahead and learn about the types of preposition. Preposition are of three types: preposition of place, preposition of time, preposition of direction, or preposition of movement. They both are same. So we will learn about each type one by one. First one is preposition of place. Prepositions can be used to show the place or the position of the noun or pronoun. Like here we have the examples. She sat on a chair. What is the position of the girl? That she sat on the chair. The children are at the zoo. Where are the children? At the zoo. We have particularly mentioned that where the children are. They are at the zoo. Let's move ahead and look at these pictures and understand them very nicely. Now here you can see in the first, the apple is kept between. It is kept between the two boxes. So this is between. The place of the noun apple is in between. Here the apple is in front of the book. Here the apple is behind the book, to the left of, under the table, on the book. Please see children, here the apple is touching the book. So we have used the preposition on. Next to, the book is kept next to the apple, similarly to the right of. Now let's look at another picture. The hot air balloon floats behind the clouds. It floats behind. Where is its place? It is behind the clouds, right? Now children, very important thing is to understand the difference between above and over. Now you can see that the tree is over the boy. Have you seen that it's also over, and here the clouds are above. So when something is touching you, then it is on. When something is not touching but still above, that's over. Then when you can't touch it, then it is above. So these are the words which talk about when something is on your head or over the head. Now just look at few more examples. Sani was sitting under a tree. Where is her place? Under. So under is the preposition of place. There's a wooden floor underneath the carpet. Where is the wooden floor? Underneath. The place is underneath. Some geese flew over their house. Over. This is again the preposition of place. John and Sarah were hiding inside the wardrobe. Where are they hiding? Where is the place? Inside. So inside is the preposition of place. There was a tree beside the river. Beside. I have a friend who lives in America. In. So in is your preposition of place. I hope preposition of place must be clear to you all. Let's recapitulate. What are prepositions? Prepositions are the words that show the position. May it be up, down, under the clouds, over, inside, on, outside, or at. These all are the words which talk about the position. I hope you all must have understood the concept of prepositions. Thank you.